Welcome back, everyone. This is Frank, Whiskey Charlie Zero Oscar, and this is a emergency ready pouch 3 liter from 511, and it's been very convenient to hold the FT-818. Let me show you. So I'm going to open it up here, and here it is. There's the 818 and some other accessories. Of course, the microphone, that's very important. And this cap here that I can put over here on the end. What else do I have here? I have a connection that I can put to the radio, to a battery. And a couple of extra things here. This one I think is for a battery that I have. And then this one is just a jumper cable with some Anderson power poles on both sides. And I don't think I have anything else in here. No, I don't. Okay, so this particular bag seems to do a very nice job in putting the radio. Now for the radio here, I do have the connections here for the strap, because I put one of these glow-in-the-dark tags. I don't leave my radio plugged in, or the battery plugged into the radio. Seems like it still drains it, so I don't do that. This one is a Bioenno 12 volt 3 amp 36 watt hours, and it lasts pretty much, because as you know, this goes up to what, 6 watts or something. There's a rubber band, which I'm not particularly happy with rubber bands, but that's what I got right now. So here it is. And then you have this wind camp, which is an easy way to just connect the battery to the radio. And then of course you're going to need your mic, which is very easily stored there. The bag has some pouches outside, one here, one over here to put your papers. It has some type of elastic to put something in there. Some additional pockets here with elastic right there. And in this case, I might have unsewn it. See? Yeah, I probably did. You can barely see it. But this was together like this, and I just took it apart. Just unsew it, because I wanted access. I wanted to make this a little bit wider. So you might have to adjust that. What I did was I took the radio with me at 511. They didn't say anything. No problem at all. Side pockets over here, right? It's like this is the little brother of the 6-liter one, which I really like. The only thing I don't like is this, I guess, strap, right? That goes, shoulder strap. You can unclick it here, but you can't unclick it from here, which I'm not too sure why you can't. It's poor design. Maybe not to lose it or something. I don't know. So I don't like that bulkiness there. But okay, so I put the radio. See that? I'll put the radio here. Fits really nicely. Not a problem at all, and it stays there. And then I have my mic, which I can put, I'll put it over here. Maybe I'll open the zipper up and then maybe place it in there if I want to. I don't necessarily have to put it there. Maybe you can put it on the side over here. Whatever's comfortable. These are definitely going in here. This is an emergency. You can pop them here Or you can put them on the elastic if you want. And that's it. This one also has a tag right here that glows in the dark. You can hold it this way, which is pretty neat. I like that. You can hold it with these other two right here. That's nice. When you open it, it has these two straps that you can hold it like this. You can have the radio positioned this way, standing up, if you like. Give it a little bit of air, turn it on, and you're on your way. Definitely a nice little radio pack that you can utilize, and it's really easy to put together. Very compact and easy to go. So if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Please subscribe. Thank you everybody to making this channel 7,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody watching and giving me feedback. So I'll be seeing you on the air. This is Frank Whiskey Charlie 0 Oscar. Bye bye.